Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left side, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right side, we have the OMBAR Dash Cam. Get ready for some serious dash cam showdown. Let's start with the most important aspect, size. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is so small, it's like a ninja hiding behind your rearview mirror. You won't even notice it's there. On the other hand, the OMBAR Dash Cam is a bit bulkier, but it's still compact enough to fit comfortably in your car. Now let's talk about video quality. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. That means you'll get crisp and detailed footage whether it's day or night. The OMBAR Dash Cam, on the other hand, takes it up a notch with UHD 4K resolution in the front and FHD 1080p in the rear. It's like having a Hollywood cinematographer in your car. It's time to dive into the features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control, so you can save videos, take pictures, and even start-stop audio recording with simple spoken commands. Plus, it has a parking guard feature that keeps an eye on your parked car and alerts you if anything fishy happens. On the flip side, the OMBAR Dash Cam has built-in 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and an app control system. You can easily control the dash cam view and download videos all from the convenience of your phone. It's like having a personal assistant for your car. Let's talk about storage capacity. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 requires at least an 8GB micro SD card, supports up to 512 GB. It also comes with a dual USB charger, giving you an extra USB port for all your charging needs. On the other hand, the OMBAR Dash Cam comes with a 64GB TF card inserted and can support up to a whopping 512 GB. You'll never have to worry about running out of storage space, even if you're filming a cross-country road trip. Last but not least, let's talk about the price tag. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes in at a reasonable $129, making it a great value for all the features it offers. On the other hand, the OMBAR Dash Cam is priced at $199. While it may be a bit more expensive, it's important to consider the higher video resolution and additional features it brings to the table. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the OMBAR Dash Cam are both fantastic choices, but they cater to different needs and budgets. If you're looking for a discreet and reliable dash cam, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a solid choice. But if you want the ultimate video quality and advanced features, the OMBAR Dash Cam might be the one for you. Remember, it's all about finding the perfect fit for your needs. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The product links are in the description.